The biggest inspiration for sadhana bhakti is the Ras Lila. Ras Lila, ooh, wow, ooh. It's like diving too deep. You get the bends, you know. Your lungs collapse if you go too deep in the ocean. So actually, it's why is it for every conditioned soul? And Shukamuni says, those that have it says anyone who's lusty, if they read this and they signed a contract with a guru, and if they read this Ras Lila, they'll get free from lust. So who's getting free from lust? He says, kamam ridrogam, kama ridrogam apinoti saritsatam, or whatever is the sarit. They get completely purified and liberated, and lust is destroyed. So how can you destroy? How does the Ras Lila destroy the lust of the conditioned souls if you're not a lusty person? So this is the power. So the forbidden fruit is the fruit we need to eat. That's why Prabhupada said, if someone hears the Ras Lila from an authorized spiritual master. That's his own quote in chapter 33. If someone hears the Ras Lila from an authorized spiritual master coming in a proper disciplic succession, he will attain he or she will attain the highest spiritual position. So what's the highest spiritual position? It means the Prem Seva of Radha and Krishna. What else do we want? What else are we describing here? So if you hear the Ras Lila from any Tom, Dick, and Harry, so who you hear from and is the most important part, and then the other part is how you hear. You hear with acceptance, or you hear with rejection. So you wouldn't be here if you didn't want to accept it. So it has its own power. So all Guru gives is a mantra. You chant the mantra like with faith. That's the keynote. Faith, determination, and steadiness.